Good morning students. Welcome to Ali Foundation International School. So you are in grade 5 years now. So today our subject is EVS 1 and the topic is muscular system. So before going to start today's class, let's see what's today's dated day. Coming for today's date, it is 18. We are in the month August and the year is 2021 and the day is Wednesday. See students, in the last class I have discussed regarding what is muscular system. Yes, for the movement of the muscles or the cells which has been attached to the bone, and the muscle will present all over the body. The muscle cell all together to form a means all the muscles together form a organ system that is called as muscular system. Yes, no? You got to know what is muscular system. Today in this class we are going to learn about what are the types of muscular cells. See, according to the places where the muscles are there, they have been three types. The first type is types of muscular system. So depends on the where the in the body where the muscles are present, they have been divided into three parts. Okay, they have been divided into three parts. The first part is skeletal muscles. The second one is the smooth muscles. The third division is the third one is cardiac muscles. So basically we have three types. It is also called as heart muscles also. See, we will see one by one in detail in this class. See the picture. Yes, can you see this picture? Yes, you can see. See, this is the skeletal muscle. What it is that? As the name indicates, the skeletal muscles or the muscles which are attached to the bones. In your hands, legs, where and all the bones will get joined, no? There and all the muscle, the first muscle has been covered. Which is that muscle? That is called skeletal muscle. You can see, no? This is the picture of skeletal muscle under microscope. See, this is a hand where this skeletal muscles has been covered. Yes, you can see, no? So, we will see what is skeletal muscle. So, these are the muscles which are attached to the bones. Okay, which are attached to the bones. Next, they pull the bones to make the movements of the body, movements of hands and legs. Yes, yes. So what it will make? It will control the movement of hands and legs. So skeletal muscles of the muscles which are attached to the bones and which it will control the movement of hands and legs. Okay students, it will control the movement of hands and legs. We can control this muscle. Yes, we can control this muscle also. Okay. So this is about the skeletal muscle. For example, if you are raising your hand, yes, you may raise now. Why? Because the muscles which are present in the hand, which is supporting the bone to raise its hand to the straight. Yes, you can stretch now. Yes, using the muscle, means that is the skeletal muscle only. You are able to move our hands, and the walking. Yes, walking also we are doing through the smooth muscles. Okay. Next we will see, sorry, skeletal muscle. Next we will see what are smooth muscles. What does, as the name indicate, smooth muscles means these are present at the walls of an internal organ. Okay, where it will present in a very smooth way, that is walls of an internal organ. So can you name me some of the internal organs, students? Yes. Large intestine, small intestine, yes. Next, intestine. Next, stomach, liver, kidney. Yes, these are some of the kidney. Next, urinary bladder. See, these are some of the smooth organs which are present inside the body. So, what is the function of smooth muscle? Means it will present in the walls of the internal organs. For example, the muscle of the stomach, intestine, and so on. So, what they will mean? They are not attached to the bones. See, these smooth muscles only present in the walls of the small intestine, then large intestine, stomach, liver, like this. Okay, it won't attach to the bones. Oh, which is the muscle that is attached to the bone? That is called as skeletal muscles. Okay, smooth muscles were not attached to the bones. Instead, it will be inside the internal organ. It is in the walls of the internal organ to protect the organ. Okay, the muscles will protect the organs. Yeah, you can see the structure of smooth muscle. See, students, this is the structure of smooth muscle. You can observe under microscope. It will looks like this. See, on the walls only the smooth muscles has present. This red mark indicating the muscle, and this violet mark indicates the nucleus. The cell should have the nucleus and cytoplasm and cell wall, right? Yes, here you can see this. See, coming for the internal organ, here I have drawn the red one is the large intestine. Inside one is the network of bundle is called a small intestine. Yes. So you got to know what are the function of smooth muscle and how it looks in the microscope and how it will be present in the internal organ. Yes, students. Next we will see the other type. Which is the other type? That is heart or cardiac muscles. So these muscles are found only in the heart. Yes. What is the function of where it will present heart muscles? These muscles are found only in the heart. Hence, they are called as cardiac muscles. Okay? The cardiac muscles. Heart muscles or cardiac muscles. Here also, the function of this heart muscle is to protect our heart. And here you can see the picture of a heart muscle or a cardiac muscle under microscope. It looks like this. See how it has been arranged. Yes, no? See, it is present inside the heart and outside the heart also. See, this is the structure of a heart. So, diagram I have shown this red mark. See, this marks inside the heart. The heart is covered by a heart muscle or a cardiac muscle. Can you observe now? Yes. So, these are the some of the types of muscles. Okay. Next we will see the examples. Yes, students. Next For the movement of a body, we need muscles. Okay, the muscle. Because of the muscle only, the body. So, the main function of the muscular system is, it is the movement of different body parts. Without the muscle, we can't move the single body part also. Okay. So then, for an activity, just you hold your arm, means you hold your hand and make a tight fist. Okay. You may feel the muscle here. Yes. Suddenly, if you drop your hand down, you may feel something has moved. Yes, no? I hope, please write in a home, you can feel. And for the movement, as I already informed, the the skeletal muscles have been attached to the bones. Yes, what are the things, what are the activities we can do in that? Walking, running. Yes, smooth muscle is through a digestion we can feel. Means after your stomach has filled, you will get a sound. Yes, no? So what it is making function means something is doing in the organ system, you can feel through some movements. Okay. Next, cardiac muscle. So if you are sleeping, okay, it should be very silent. It should be a very silent situation. That time when you touch your left hand on the center, you may feel your heartbeat. Or for example, you are running more, you may feel your heartbeat. Yes, yes, these are some of the activities we are doing using this three kinds of muscle. For today, this much is enough. But before ending this session, please open your workbook. Please open the workbook, students. Along with the textbook, you are getting the workbook also. That is Environmental Studies Science Workbook Part 1. Just you open the first page. You can see your name. You have to write down your name, section and school. Yes. Then if you turn the other page, you will get a workbook features. Okay. After workbook features, once you turn the page, you can see the contents. See, these are some of the lessons that is there, which has given in the textbook. Please open page number 1. So today we have discussed regarding muscular system. No? So you will be having homework you have to do in this only. Before writing the homework, you should follow certain steps. That is, on the right side you have to write the date. On the left corner you have to write down your name. Okay, then only you should enter into the doing the homework. So just I will read it. Just listen carefully. First thing is multiple choice questions. See, what is the first question? All the muscles together form the organ system. What is that called? Brucey, digestive system, muscular system, skeletal system. They have the 4 options. Which is the correct answer? Muscular system. You have to write down the muscular system here. You have to write down option B. Okay. Next, the activity of which type of muscle can be controlled. As I informed. So the options they have given: muscles of the stomach, heart muscles, skeletal muscles, muscles of the intestine. Which is the muscle? Skeletal muscle. You have to write down the option C here. Okay. Next, so coming for the fill in the blanks. Dash muscles are found only in the heart. Which is the muscle? Heart muscles or a cardiac muscles. Yes, you have to write down in the blank. Next, dash muscles are found onto the walls of the internal organs. Which muscles? Smooth muscles. You have to write down the answer as smooth muscles. Today, I have taught you know what are the things you have to write down. Next, very short answers. So in that, the 5th question is name the muscles which are attached to the bones. Which is the muscle? The skeletal muscles have been attached to the bones. You have to write down with the sentence. Okay. The next, which type of muscles are found in our stomach? Which type? Smooth muscles are found in our stomach. You have to write down in a sentence because this is a very short answer question. Coming for the 7th one, short answer question. Name the type of muscle shown in the picture. Where do we found this muscle? See the picture carefully. I have told you which is this. This is a cardiac muscle which is seen under microscope. You have to write down this. The cardiac muscle is shown in the picture. Then where do you find this muscles means in the heart. We are finding this muscle. You have to write down the answer in a sentence. Please write properly. That to a neat handwriting. That to a cursive writing. You have to do. So this is your today's homework. I hope today you enjoyed the class, no students. Yes, we will meet in the next class. Until then, take care.